Most men think making her scared of losing you means playing games. It doesn't. In Stoicism, it's about controlling yourself, not controlling her. If you want her to truly value you, you need to become the man who's rare, calm, and unshakable. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that so she chases you, respects you, and fears losing you without manipulation. 1. Making her chase you. You don't chase respect. You earn it. Stop over-investing in someone who hasn't earned your time. When you stop running after her and instead focus on your own mission, you naturally create space. That space makes her wonder what you're up to and why she's not the center of your world. That curiosity makes her start to pursue you. 2. The power of presence and absence. Your presence should feel like a gift, not a habit. When you're with her, be fully present. Eye contact, genuine listening, full attention. But don't be constantly available. Your absence should also be felt. This contrast of presence and absence is powerful. It builds anticipation and makes her realize she can't take you for granted. 3. Building irreplaceable value. She won't fear losing you if you're just like every other man. Build a life so rich and purposeful that being with you elevates her world. Develop skills, cultivate friendships, work on your health, and keep growing. When you're irreplaceable because of your lifestyle, energy, and vision, losing you isn't just losing a boyfriend. It's losing a future she wanted to be part of. 4. Setting boundaries with grace. Boundaries aren't punishments, they're standards. Calmly communicate what's acceptable and what's not. If she crosses the line, enforce the boundary without anger or drama. This is the masculine calmness Stoicism teaches. It signals that you respect yourself and that she must too. 5. Emotional mastery. The most attractive man is the one who doesn't get easily triggered. Stop reacting. Learn to respond. Whether she tests you, withdraws, or tries to provoke jealousy, stay centered. When she sees she can't shake you, she'll respect you more. Emotional mastery makes you magnetic because you're rare in a world of emotional chaos. Conclusion. Making her scared of losing you isn't about manipulation. It's about mastery. Master your time, your emotions, your presence, and your standards. Become so valuable, calm, and purposeful that she knows losing you means losing something extraordinary. That's the real Stoic way. If you found this helpful, check out my next video on the real reason your silence isn't working on her. Link in description. Stay with me for more Stoic videos. Stay strong, stay Stoic.